everybody, hope you're well. Today's top tip video is how to protect your wooden worktop. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Thank you so much. As you can see, this worktop by my kitchen sink is very dry. The oil has worn off half of it. The upper part still has oil on and a couple of stains, and really and truly it all needs to be sanded right back down. But for now, I'm just giving it a quick top up to protect the bottom half. So the part where the oil will come off, I'm going to give 3 coats to really protect that wood. Okay, it's important to use a lint-free cloth to make sure the bits from the cloth doesn't get in and dry into the oil. Okay, read the instructions for how you should use the oil that you choose to buy. I'm putting mine on quite liberally because this part of the wood is absolutely desperate for a drink of oil. But yeah, you can rub off any excess oil in between each layer with a dry lint-free cloth. You can rub it down with sandpaper and clean before you do the next coat. It's entirely up to you. Let me know if you give this a go, and thank you so much for watching.